Children are newest humans, to whom family forms the initial earth. They are the substance of posterity and justification for labors of the moment. Obioraobiezemeditation. Generative activities of earth continually revolve around children. It was the divine arrangement of Almighty Deity that earth shall sustain itself through regular introduction of new members into various species of living things. Perhaps it was to provide appropriate compensation for the brief span of earth life. In addition, certain continuum is created when new members replace dead ones. Amongst the humans, children are principally positioned to increase the wholesome worth of the race. They are groomed in the fertile environment of family to observe the mistakes of their elders, both trifling and grave. In recognizing and avoiding the known frailties, these new humans comprehensively advance the composite integrity of humankind. Therefore, it shall be the responsibility of everyone, especially officers in authority, to deliberately advance thoughts and actions that will secure the family. Accordingly, children of the home shall develop not just themselves, but a race of cultured humans. In the process, they make an incontrovertible case for the elimination of vagrancy the world over. Obioraobiezemeditation.